Hello friends, my name is Tanvi Talavya.
And my name is Krishna Kacharia. Today we would like to talk about conversation between the two friends.
Meeting after a long time, so please listen to us carefully. So let's start.
Hey,
Hello,
how are you?
I am fine. And what about you?
I'm just like you. It's been a long time we have met.
Oh yes,
Where are you studying right now?
I study in Monash.
Oh, that's really great school.
Yes,
You study in 11th standard, but you take science or commerce.
I take science.
Good. What do you want to be in the future?
In the future, my idea is go to Canada and open my own company.
Oh, that's really right to know.
Thanks. And what are you up to nowadays?
Currently, I'm do study in commerce.
Nice. You are great study.
Thanks.
Tomorrow will be come with my own.
Okay. See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye. See you tomorrow.